How to fix people nearby not loading on Telegram in iPhone 11, 12 or 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open App Store and then search here Telegram. Now click on your Telegram and then check your update. If your Telegram have any update, then here you can see the update option. After update your Telegram, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open your settings. In settings, click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find Telegram. Now click on Telegram. Now here you can offload your Telegram app. Now click on offload and then reinstall app. After reinstall your app, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then go back to your screen and swipe down to your control center. Now here you can turn on or off your airplane mode. After turn on or off your airplane mode, then go back and open settings again and click on general. Now click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.